According to the principles of proportionality, we use different procedures for different values and contract types. The DRC procurement guidelines uses three main procurement procedures: invitation to bid (ITB), request for quotation (RFQ), and single quote (SQ). The ITB procedure contains the following steps. An invitation to bid is either published or sent to at least 4 relevant companies. Interested companies can collect the tender documents from DRC. Here, the different criteria for selecting suppliers and the technical specifications must be clear. Companies then have to submit their sealed bids within the set deadline. The sealed bids will be received and stored securely at the DRC office. The sealed bids are opened and checked publicly. This is documented and verified by the tender committee. The tender committee evaluates the bids and produces a tender report that justifies the recommendation to select one or more bidders. Based on this evaluation, contracts will be awarded. Unsuccessful bidders are notified and encouraged to bid again. The ITB procedure is subdivided into 3 procedures depending on how the invitation to bid is made. Restricted ITB, where at least 4 companies are invited to bid. National ITB, where an announcement inviting suppliers to bid has to be published in national media. And finally, international ITB, where an announcement has to be made internationally. The request for quotation is a bit simpler. At least 3 relevant companies are required to submit a quotation. All the bidders must be given the same information, terms, and time to respond. The request describes all requirements and selection criteria. Quotations should be securely received and stored. The quotations are evaluated, and the selection should be justified in writing and based on the selection criteria. And finally, contracts are awarded. Single quote is the most simple procedure because purchase is done directly. You still need to consider how to get the best value for money.